Hi guys, Fayas this side here one more time. In this video number 20, I am going to show you how can resolve your problem of payment hold. Let's suppose your video ad is continuously running and the payment got hold. So that's where it takes 2 to 4 days time to process the payment. That's where I'm showing you how to resolve that payment issue, how you can charge instantly using meta ad support. Actually, I found out the puzzle, how you can resolve this problem of payment hold. So let's dive into this video. Just go to billing and payment settings on business manager, click payment activities so that you can see which payment is hold, right? You can see here two payments are processing. So let me open that one. So you can see here 236 rupees are in still processing. So click need help, get ads payment support and click a payment. Then you will find out the option I need help with making payment. So just click pay now. Here we have to pay how much Facebook will show us, that only we have to pay, because it won't show the complete payment of 236 rupees. Here you can see 87 rupees 62 paise. I just do UPI payments. Let me show you one more time. I just clear this thing and I want to add few more amount here, like 500 rupees. It won't accept, guys. So you can see here I just add 500 rupees. Here it is showing how much we have to pay, which Facebook is referring us, right? So 87.62 pice. So click pay now. Note this point, we have to do again and again the same process. Enter your UPI ID and verify that once. I'm just entering my UPI ID and clicking verify. So it has been verified. Click proceed. I just got a pop-up on my phone. So you can see here 87.62 rupees. I'm just paying with my phone. So it is loading. I don't know why it was showing transaction failed, but my money is debited from my phone pay. Okay, no worries, we will do one more time. Just close this one and just close this one. You can see here 236 rupees, still it is showing again. So it is under processing, right? So let's click the payment method on the left side and click payment activities. You can see here we have two again payments, but one payment is debited, right? So click this one and go to the ad support, right? Click a payment. So I need with making a payment, click this option. One more time, click pay now. We have to pay our amount again and again until it takes the whole payment. So now it is showing 100 rupees, right? I'm just doing this payment with UPI. So click pay now and just verify your phone number, like just enter your UPI ID and click it verify and click proceed. I just got a pop-up on my phone. You can see here 100 rupees is actually debiting, and I just doing for my phone. The transaction is again showing failed. You don't worry, it actually my payment is debited from my phone pay. So just close this one. Let's refresh the page. So just close this one and you can see it is again showing 236 rupees. Just refresh this page. Okay, we have to go to the payment activity, right? Click payment methods and see all payment activities. Click that payment activities. You can see here we have paid two payments, 100 rupees and 87.63 pice. So that's how we have to pay again and again until it takes our amount. Thank you for watching this video 20. I really appreciate that. I hope this video helpful for your business. You can solve your query of payment hold. Stay tuned for my next videos. Until Namaste India. Bye bye.